everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn internet. So internet chapter is a vast chapter. That's why this video will come in two parts. So to understand the chapter, please watch both the parts. So let's get started. Internet is defined as a network of millions of computers connected to each other worldwide. It means whenever we say our computer is connected to the internet, it means our computer is connected to the whole world. Okay, so we can relate the word internet with any type of network we use, from telephone lines via cables or any wireless mode. Nowadays we use several internet services like email. Who doesn't know email? Email is an economical mode of communication. So right now everyone is using email for transferring data. We use email for any kind of transferring data like pictures, graphics, videos, text, music, everything. So with email we can send any data around the world. Next is chat or video conferencing. Okay, chatting is more personalized form of communication and it is live. Nowadays everyone is using WhatsApp, and this is the easiest mode of chatting. In chatting we transfer or we exchange text, videos, graphics, music, etc. Nowadays no one can live without chatting. This is the amazing way of communication. So who allows the user to send instant messages, whereas the video conferencing can be defined as a phone call with pictures that allows multiple people sitting geographically in different locations to communicate by exchanging video and audio at the same time. Nowadays we have so many apps to do video conferencing, and we enjoy doing video conferencing. Why? Because we can see the user in front of us. It is actually lively. The next feature is e-learning. Nowadays, every college, university, schools, they are using e-learning apps or websites. It is a feature where the student can be sitting at home and attending the class. Now, in by any reason, if you're not attending the class, you can sit at home and you can attend the class by sitting at home. Now, social networking site. A social networking site is an online platform which is actually giving you a platform where you can share your status, your interest, your activities, everything you want to share. It is also giving us the feature to meet people whom you don't know. So you're meeting the strangers and you're making friends among them. It's a very useful site and we all are using nowadays. It is also known as social media. The next thing that we are going to learn is internet radio. Earlier we used to have normal radio stations. Nowadays we have internet radio station. Internet radio is also known as web radio or net radio. Is a digital audio service transmitted via the network. Broadcasting on internet usually referred to as webcasting. Now this is the term we use for internet radio, webcasting. The first internet radio service was launched in 1993. Unlike the traditional radio stations which has limitation, internet radio has no limitations. Okay, so internet nowadays it is very useful for us. It has some advantages. They are powerful search engine like Google, Yahoo, MSN, etc. So these powerful search engines are very much useful. With that we can search any kind of data we want, like any information or anything. The next is people can connect with each other. Like, it is the easiest way for us to communicate with any people around the world. We have so many means or so many apps to communicate with any people. The next thing, a handful of online services that enable people to carry out their tasks while sitting at home, like e-reservation or e-shopping, or we can sit at home, we can have so many features like them. Easy data sharing. Nowadays around the world we can share any type of data we want. If we have videos, we have text, we have graphics, any kind of data we want to share around the world, we can do that. So if anything comes with the advantage, it has disadvantages as well. So we have disadvantages of internet also. So the first disadvantage that we can see is data security. So whatever data we are saving in internet, like in drive or in cloud, internet is not giving us 100% security guarantee. So our data which is saved on internet, it is not secure. So this is the very much big threat that we have. The virus attack. every time when we use internet, the virus threat is always there. If you connect your phone or your mobile phone or your computer, laptop, anything with internet, the virus, the full of virus will come within few seconds. Hackers, every time we connect internet, the hackers threat is always there. So it is very much important for us to protect our data from hackers. Cyber crimes, nowadays it is very much popular. Every time we see people like us, mostly the kids, they are doing cyber crimes around the world, so we have to deal with them. The next thing that we have, it is potential threats while using internet. The first one is spyware. Now spyware, it is a type of software that secretly collects information about an online user. Now these are easily available software around the world. Now whenever you are connecting internet, the spyware is the first thing that comes in your computer, and whenever it comes in your computer, it will not notify you. That is the biggest threat we have. The next is spamming. Now, email spamming involves sending unwanted messages or undesirable advertisement. Now, you most of people have seen the internet is comes with so many emails. Like suppose we are getting emails, we won the prizes or we got money. Okay, these all are spam emails. Okay, so whenever we see them, we have to shift them to the spam folder. The next one is scareware. The scareware is a malware which pop-ups a window informing the user that system is infected and ask for a fee to clean it. Okay, sometimes we might have noticed that our computer is giving us information that our computer is infected with the virus. Okay, so please clean it, or your memory is full of worm, or your memory is full, please clean it. So we have to avoid them. Okay, every time we see this kind of information or this kind of pop-ups, please just ignore them, or otherwise you'll be infected with this scarewares. The next one is malwares. Malware is a short form of malicious software. It is including viruses, worm, Trojan horses, anything. Malware can be anything. It can bring any kind of software or any kind of unwanted programs in your computer. The next one is virus. Virus is a program that is secretly embedded on a computer system to steal, corrupt, or destroy data, is known as computer virus. Okay, the virus is the father of everything. Whenever it comes to your computer, it will destroy your data. Okay, so we have to be careful while using internet. The next one is Trojan. Trojan is also kind of virus only. Okay, this is designed to corrupt or steal information from your computer. Ransomware, it is related to the scareware, as it is also gives fraud information to you, like your computer is corrupted, or your data is lost, or your memory is full. Okay, so these are same. Worms are common threat to computer. A worm like virus, okay, worm is also a kind of virus only. It can replicate so fast, so that it will be full of, within seconds it will be in your whole computer. So these are very fast viruses. The last one is Keyloggers. This is just a program, small program, which is actually recording your keystrokes. Whenever you're opening any website, or you're opening your banking website, it will record your keystrokes, and it will record your ID and password. They are also a very big threats. Okay, so these are potential threats while using internet. Further information, the further topic that we are going to discuss in our next part of the video. So please subscribe my channel to get the notification for the next part of the video. Thank you for watching.